Hello students, and in this video we are going to talk about the use of Safe Exam Browser for taking quizzes and exam on Moodle. So this Safe Exam Browser is supported for Windows and Mac OS. There is no support for any version of Linux. So you should have either of these operating system on your machine. You should not have any previous version of Safe Exam Browser. There are only two versions that are supported. One is Safe Exam Browser 3.3.1, which is for Windows. This is the link, Google Drive link. Please do not download from anywhere else. And for Mac OS users, the version is 3.2 and this is the link. Do not try to download from anywhere else. This is going to be one exe file. This is going to be a DMG file. Download and install like a regular software you install on Windows and Mac. Now, after that, once you install the Safe Exam Browser, do not run it. Safe Exam Browser do not work like a regular browser. It needs a configuration file. So we are going to give you two configuration files. In the email you will find there is one file which is lnm windows november21.seb. SEB is the extension. This is for Windows user, and lnm Mac OS November 21. This is for Mac OS users. Please download the correct file. Once you download the file, what are we going to do with that? So now this is my Mac OS configuration file and this is Windows. All you have to do is double click on this file. When you double click on this file, your Safe Exam Browser will start. And after that, it will ask you to log in on your Moodle web page. You have to use the account details, that is your roll number and password. And I am going to demonstrate using a regular browser that how you have to proceed once you are able to log in on Safe Exam Browser. So once you log in, you have to go to LNMIT test course. Okay, you will find this course on the right side here, test 001, or you can find it on your dashboard as well. So go to LNMIT test course, then go to this section called mock drill November 21. Now, either you are using Mac OS or Windows, does not matter. This is the quiz that you have to take. Click on the quiz and you can see that I am not using Safe Exam Browser, so it is giving me the warning that this quiz is configured so that the students can attempt only using Safe Exam Browser. Using a regular browser, the quiz will not open. But once you attempt it using Safe Exam Browser, you will get the option of attempt quiz now. Let me show you how is that going to happen. So now I am using the admin settings. So once I go to this exam, you are going to have the option which is attempt quiz now. Okay. For me, it is showing the preview quiz because I have created this quiz. So you will click on attempt quiz, attempt the questions, and once you are done with all the answers and all, then you can finish the attempt, submit all and finish, and you will get a feedback which is LNMIT link. You can review and click on this feedback either now, or you say finish review, and then also you get the same link. Once you click on this link, you will be out of the Safe Exam Browser, otherwise you will not be out of the browser. Now there are few things that you should take care. Do not try to exit the browser in between. You cannot exit that. If you are stuck somewhere, you can call or email at the given contact details, and you must take this mock drill before you try to take any actual quiz. Thank you.